Hey people, so yesterday I uploaded more videos than I've ever uploaded in 2020. That is, I think I uploaded 20 videos. No, I think 10 or 12. But so that's what that was because we just returned yesterday from this trip to Jungle Resort Lodge in Bidar, which is near Karnataka, which is in Karnataka, and so that's why I felt I had to upload so many. And also, I deleted a certain video, and that particular video was this the review of this book called Nazuruddin Shah's and Then One Day. So, this morning. Hello. So I've had my cute little niece. Ever since these two little people have been coming in my videos, 8 new subscribers joined. You know, so so that's what. And in the morning, I've had this long. I was told what am I doing with my life and all. So I'm all disoriented. But I'll catch up with you all soon. So on that note, thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.
watching and please subscribe.
Subscribe.